computer, lights. We can't imagine life without the electricity, but burning fossil fuels contributes significantly to one of the hardest challenges of the 21st century, climate change. Luckily, the answer to our problem is literally blowing in the wind. Unfortunately, renewable energy sources are notoriously unreliable because they depend so much on weather conditions. Now, imagine you want to invest money, quite a lot of money, in a wind farm. But which investment decision will result in a reliable energy supply and a minimal risk? And to what extent can you trust that the predicted wind will translate into the expected profit? These are the questions that EDF, the world-leading power company, wants me to answer. My job is to develop new mathematical and statistical methods to reliably quantify risk and uncertainty related to renewables. You can see how challenging this task is just by looking at this graph, showing how electricity prices change in time. Their randomness or unpredictability is clearly visible. We have spikes and jumps and even negative prices. Yes, that's right. The more we rely on cheap renewables, the more often producers prefer to pay you, the consumers, for electricity usage than to switch the production off and on again. In my research, I explore various types of mathematical objects that could mimic the complex behavior of electricity prices, their seasonality as well as short and long-term behavior. I need to translate such graphs into the language of mathematics. However, some features of electricity prices will get lost in translation. This is why I have to determine which are the essential ones. I achieved that by comparing each possible model to market data and assessing its validity in a rigorous way. I also look at the wind's impact on your electricity bill. And trust me, it's bigger than you think. All of that to encourage new investments in renewable energy sources. Before, our chance to stop climate change is gone with the wind. Thank you.